Your art story. Hello kids! Today we are going to color an avocado. I am using dark green marker to color the leaf.
Now I am coloring the avocado fruit with the same dark green color. I really like avocado. Tell me if you like it also. It is so tasty. Now I am going to color the avocado with a light green color. Can you name any other fruit that is also green in color?
Grapes are also green. Coloring is so much fun. This is my favorite activity.
Now I am going to color the seed brown.
I hope you are enjoying this activity also. Now I will take a black color and start drawing the outline again. This avocado looks very delicious. Like and subscribe if you enjoy coloring with me.